You keep blaming the algorithm. No one sees my content. It's the platform. It's changed. Engagement is dead. But let's be honest. That's not the real reason you're not growing. Because people are growing. People are going viral. People are building full-time businesses on the same algorithm you're complaining about. So what's the difference? Here's the reality. It's not the algorithm holding you back. It's your content. Not the quantity. Not the hashtags. Not the platform. It's the clarity of your message. Most people don't have a visibility problem. They have a resonance problem. Because content doesn't win when it's loud. It wins when it's clear. Clear on who it's for. Clear on what it helps with. Clear on why it matters. And let me say this. If a stranger can't tell in 3 seconds what your post is about, the algorithm won't save you. You're not being punished by the algorithm. You're being ignored by the audience. Because your message isn't cutting through. You're blending in, saying what everyone else is saying, and the scroll doesn't stop for same. So here's what actually works. 1. Say one thing. Say it clearly. No more cramming 10 ideas into one post or video. Pick one message. Make it undeniable. 2. Speak to one person. Stop writing for the masses. Speak to one real human with one real problem and show them the way forward. 3. Give them a reason to care. Start with tension, curiosity, a bold claim. Make them stop, then make them stay. You don't need to go viral to win. You just need to make the right people care. Because when your message clicks, it gets saved, shared, replayed, remembered. And that's what feeds the algorithm. Not luck, not volume, clarity. So next time you're tempted to say, "The algorithm hates me," pause. Eat a snack that makes you happy. Go take a walk. Then come back with a fresh brain. Ask, would I stop to engage with this? Is this saying something specific or just playing it safe? Does this content make someone feel seen or just scroll? If it's not clear, bold, or real, don't blame the algorithm. Fix the message. Because once your message hits, the algorithm becomes your ally. And that changes everything. Drop a comment. What's one thing you could make clearer in your content this week? Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more bold content.